Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to GMC Budgets. Today is my Grow with Grace Binder Day with $100 in prop money and some saving challenges that I am playing and saving throughout the whole year. So let's go with save $2,026 in 2026. You can find this in my Etsy or in my Kofi, and it's a digital download. So let's go with the yellow. Girl, you don't even got your color pencils. Ugh. Let's grab those. So how are you guys doing? Are you enjoying your summer? Let's do 18. I hear people is already going school shopping. This is crazy for the first year. I don't have to do school shopping. 15, 16, 17, 18. That is something crazy and wild. We got pink. Pink, let's do, so we did 18 up there. So let's do, should I do 18 down here? Oh, you know what? Let's roll our 20-sided die. And 7, okay. Are you guys doing your school shopping? I think it might be tax-free weekend for certain states. I think our tax-free weekend don't start until like the first week of August, I think. 5, 6, 7. So we're going to put 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so that is $25 going to this one. That is saving for taxes. And I had, let me put those there. I had so much like school supply stuff that I just donated because I didn't need it. All right, next is vacation. This is created by Mint Dough. Says $1,200 for vacation. So let's roll the 20-sided die. $1. Girl, we're gonna do better than that. So I do see one here. Let's go again. Really? A 2. There you go, a 2. We're gonna be here all day. Okay, there we go. 12. So 10, 11, 12, 18. Let's do 18 here. Let's see where we at. So let's see, 18, 19, 20. These 2 10s. So we got 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33. I think we can stop there. So $33 is going to vacation. I have been enjoying myself, learning new hobbies, keeping myself busy, creating my handmade beaded jewelry. If you're not yet, check out Gem City Bead Boutique on Etsy. It's all handmade jewelry. Those handmade beaded like herringbone style bracelets. It's hand woven by me. Those are so pretty. It takes time to make, but they come out so pretty. Ooh, that's a ×2, and I don't have anything to save with it. So let's roll a die to see. We got 3, so we're gonna save $6. Oh, I forgot. I don't have any batteries. So yeah, that's that. So we finished this side. This is created by Snow Garden 307. We're gonna do this side. And this is saving for when my son graduated from basic training from the military. So that is $76. So we just gonna keep that rolling. We ain't gonna take that out. We just gonna keep rolling, and then we'll start this side next time. And then month ahead is created by Champagne's Corner. So let's go ahead. And we got 1 and 3, 3 and 1. So let's do the house here. The house is $3. 1, 2, and 3. Let's keep going. 4 and 6. 6 and 4 already done. Let's do 3 and 5. 5 and 3. The cell phone for $2. Let's do that again. 5 and 2. 2 and 5. Nope. 6 and 5. 6 and 5. Oh no. 5 and 6. We almost, should I just go? Because we almost finished with this. Did I already say 3 and 5? I think I did. Yeah. No, 5. Yeah, I did. 5 and 5. And it's done. Okay, I might have to just pick something. 5 and 6. 6 and, okay. So let's just go down the 6 and what's left. Let's do that for $1. And then a cell phone for $2. So $3. 1, 2, and 3. Let's see where we at on this one. And this for a month ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, emergency funds. Emergency fund in here. This is the Giant Ant Savings 1200 plus, and this is created by Budgeting Introverts. And like I said, this is same for my emergency, so we have to do an ice cream cone. Let's do purple. So let's do 2 of them because each one is $5. This whole page is $100. Let's do 2 ice creams. And let's do this one. So that is 10. Ooh, just 3 more ice creams. We finished that page. We on this page. And I think I'm just going to go. Let's just do yellow is 6. And this one is red. Yeah. 6 and 5 for 11. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So let's see. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah. 11. So we got 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21. $21 going to emergency. Next is the most basic saving challenge. And you can find this on Amazon. It says 15K. And we are, let me see. We already did $300 so far. This is going towards student loans. All right. And this is one of my biggest debt here, of course, student loans. So let's do what I got in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We already got $7. So we just gonna make this quick and easy. And we just gonna do a 5 and a 2. So let's do orange. Cute, cute, cute. And let's do a 2. Where can we do a 2 in orange? Let's do it. Should we just do this one? Yeah, let's do this one. You know, a hobby that I want to try, but I'm like, girl, you don't need to do another hobby. I want to try diamond painting. You guys do that? I'm so interested in that. It's just like a color by number. And I really want to try that. I keep looking at them when I go to Hobby Lobby and Michael's. Like, I want to do that. I want to be that girl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Seemed like it would just slow me down. Slow my mind down anyway. All right, that's the most basic saving challenge. All right, gems, that is it. $100 put into my Grow with Grace binder. All right. And if you haven't already, go check out my Etsy shop, Gem City Budgets. And there are some new binder charms. So go check those out. And check out my my handmade jewelry boutique called Gem City B Boutique, and both be linked down below. So thank you everyone for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend, and remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.